Hi y'all, today let's take a look at how to quickly upload your classroom library into OnShelf using a CSV file. To do this, all you're going to need is a barcode scanner, your classroom library, and a OnShelf template in either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Notice that you will need 4 column headings in your template: barcode, ISBN, title, and author. But don't worry, you don't need to populate all of that information. All you need to put these books on OnShelf is the ISBN number. So when you're ready and you have that template open, go ahead and plug your USB into your computer, USB port. You should hear a fun noise. Then make sure you select the cell just underneath the ISBN. You're just gonna scan the barcode that's already on the back of the book. You'll notice it automatically enters into the next cell in the sheet, so you don't even have to press enter. You can just quickly go through and scan all of your ISBNs. Once you're done scanning all the ISBNs that you will need, you're going to want to take your template and you're going to want to download it as a CSV file. So go File, Download, and CSV. Once your CSV file has been downloaded, you're going to go into OnShelf, log in, and you'll come over to Library and click Create a Classroom Library. We want to name it with your last name, grade level, and room number. Once you've done that, you will notice you'll have 2 options for uploading your books, and you're going to want to go to the Upload Multiple Books in one go by uploading a CSV file. Click Upload File, find that file on your computer, open it, and select Continue. Once your library is updated, you will get a success message that looks like that, and then you will see the books that you uploaded into your classroom. You'll see your upload results on the right-hand side. If you X out of that, you'll see your books here. Just some things to note: that if you do see any of these bans or challenges, that is for your information. Parents, students won't see those things. And then you can check to see, you can actually mark your books allowed, limited access, or don't show them in your catalog for your students and parents. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or your ILS, and we will get all these classroom libraries uploaded. Thank you.